The fact that we've established regional offices across the globe is a real big reflection of RTI's commitment to being in the places where we work. I think that's an important part of diversity and inclusion. But the commitment, and it's not an easy one, to saying we want to be close to our work. We want to hire and staff people, not just on projects, but even operationally in the country where we operate, is a real demonstration of the fact that, diversity and inclusion also means working and getting people from all the countries where we work to be part of our team. Taking the breadth of our work across the sciences and bringing those to bear in these growing economies, which are really, lower middle income countries where you have an increase in opportunity and wealth, a need for some of the more, for the different sciences that we do work in. For example, water ecosystems and water resource management, but also things like air quality monitoring. So we're doing work in areas like non-communicable diseases and chronic diseases, which is, again, thinking kind of ahead of the curve, and I think that that's really what is the differentiator for RTI. The disease burden and the weight that's going to carry on already fragile health systems is really going to be something that these countries are dealing with substantially and significantly in the next 10 years. So getting that footprint down now and starting to work with ministries of health and other teams to understand what is a research agenda going to look like, so that these countries can really tackle these issues and be prepared to deal with them. I think environment, air quality, pollution, in some of the big cities that we operate, we see already that there's a connection between upper respiratory illness and transport and the air quality pollution. And we have the ability to help doing monitor on that, but also to connect it to the work we do in non-communicable diseases. And so I think that our sciences kind of come together in some of these areas where we work across the globe. I think they're great examples of the work that we've done in early grade reading and education, are really sort of groundbreaking work in terms of helping the client develop a research agenda and then asking us to come and do the work, design the programs and do the work. And so there's just across a wide range of programs, some really excellent work that we can bring to hold up as a showcase for what RTI does.